morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you see what happened yesterday. We talked yesterday, and I posted a couple of charts during the day about, we spoke Monday about a move to the middle band. The middle band move was broken. What you had was, this is a chart I posted yesterday. What you had was, here's your 2068 weekly pivot. You had a failure Monday around noontime with the weekly pivot. It's a 15-minute chart. You had it break down below, at the time, the middle band, retest that area, and then had it break down overnight. The two ovals represent where the middle band was at the time of Globex last night. It was tested, broke down, did a low at 35, did a lower high, and then a lower low. During the course of yesterday, we basically climbed this trend line that I drew a little earlier in the day. We had, the middle band retest was imminent. Once we got over 46.25, the bears do what the bears do so many times. They put together a good few hours. Then the dip buyers come in, because they're absolutely going to come in. But when the dip buyers come in, everybody with a short just chucks it and runs, because they know what's going to happen, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? And that's what we saw yesterday. Couple handle pop, over 43, over 46. I'm not going through this again. I'm out of here, and we go. And at that point, we're absolutely going to go back and retest the middle band, because that's what the mini likes to gravitate to. So we made it all the way back up. We did as high as 60 and change, filled the gap, turned it green, closed it a little bit red, and we're seeing a little bit of a retrace overnight. Now, I wrote yesterday here on the chart, a true low will retest the weekly pivot this week. I firmly believe that. What's more likely in the course of this uptrend? That this little pullback here from 60 to 53 is the beginning of some cataclysmic new low? Or that we're going to pull back, make a morning dip that everybody and their mom comes in and buys, and we take back up above 2060 and then gradually make it up to 2068 during the course of the week? The first scenario absolutely could happen, but you have to ask yourself, what's more likely? Where is risk leaning? Well, I think the better plan, either we're going to make a higher low or we're not. At some point, you're going to have a higher low that gets bought. I think the better plan is to go ahead and buy it with them with a stop below, limit your risk, especially if you missed getting in yesterday. I'm long 35 on the back through here, and I've taken some profits, but I have some left, and I plan to add on this dip. Especially if you're not involved, I think that you are much better served by taking a chance at buying a higher low versus 33 than running around for the rest of the week trying to buy, every other, marginal new high that they put on the board. Now, could the bears take this, break it down, break 33 and make a run? Sure, they absolutely could. I'm just saying that is much less likely, especially with this. I mean, look at this hammer. We've seen hammers like this before, and they've never ended well for the bears. Very rarely have they ever been able to reverse one and take it down and touch the lower band, or open up the bands and go on a lower band ride from here. When the bears go on lower band rides, it's from tight bands like this. Bollinger Bandwidth is still 2.6. It's a little wide for the bears. So that also plays into the bulls' hands. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. I'll have some more charts up today. I'm going to try to do that every day. Everybody has been asking for them. People seem to like them, and I don't do as much free content during the day as I should, but it's just it's because I'm so involved in the chat room during the day, but I'm going to try to get more out there. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com, and come check out the chat room. Come spend your day where I spend my day. We'd love to meet you and see if we can help you with your trading. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.